So what's going on guys, welcome back. Hope you are having a great day, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Totsuka OS version 3.0 for several Exynos 7870 devices, and it's running the Android 10 based on One UI 2.1, and it has the RS kernel 5.1, and also it's rocking the July 2020 security patch. So guys, yeah, without any further ado, let's get this video started. So yeah, this is my experience with the Totsuka version 3, and I've been using this ROM for almost a week now, and I'm gonna admit this is one of the best ARM 32-bit ROMs for supported Exynos 7870 devices, and trust me, just trust me, you won't regret installing this ROM. Now, it's the usual One UI 2.0 ROM with some additional One UI 2.1 tweaks, and I'm not going to showcase all its features. Just to let you know, you have the app lock, secure folder, game launcher, dual apps, screen recorder, and most of the good luck apps collection in Aroma, which is selectable. And also Bluetooth has been fixed, and VoLTE should work but didn't test it yet. So if anyone here who is watching this video from India, do let me know down in the comment section below whether it works or not. But yeah, VoLTE support has been added into this ROM, so no worries on that. Okay, now let's talk about the ROM stability. First of all, let's open up the DRM info app, and yeah, as you can see, it supports wideband L1. That means you can watch full HD videos on Netflix and Amazon Prime. Second thing is, by default, at first the safety net will fail, which means you can't use banking apps as of now. But there is a solution for that. Flash Magisk and then Flash Magisk Hide props within the Magisk app and enable Magisk Hide, which will in result you get your safety net check passed, means you can use most of your banking apps without any issues. Also to be mentioned, all the sensors on this ROM like accelerometer, light sensor, proximity sensor, gyroscope, barometer, magnetometer are working super fine. Now if you want to know how's the RAM management, it's very good. You get around 2 to 1.5 gigs free, which is enough at least for me, and apps running in background works well most of the time. But again, it depends on how you actually use your phone, whether it's a heavy use or light use. But RAM management is fine on my J7 Pro, aka the J7 2017. Alright, now let's talk about the camera. One thing that is new is that you now get live focus working on the rear camera as well, but it only works when it detects a face, and also don't expect like it to be performed like a Gcam. It would be very silly to think of, but other than that, you now get 2x zoom mode and some other camera features. You also do get the AR emoji, which does work, but at the same time it's laggy, and it's nearly 200 MB in size, so the choice is up to you whether you use it or not. Other than that, you have the Google Sans font, which is one of my favorite fonts out there for Android, and you also do have the latest Samsung fonts. And as I said before, you do get those good luck apps like Notistar and the clock face, where you get some extra clock faces and you will love it. But what really caught my attention is the task changer. I mean, oh my god, how smooth it is. I mean, it's smoother than I expected, because in some devices like J7 or the other Exynos 770 devices, I mean in earlier ROMs, it lags like, I mean, I don't know how to explain, but it's just unusable. But here it's pretty much usable, and you can use it, and it's highly customizable. Like just watch this. Alright, I think that's pretty much it about the ROM. Now talking about the bugs are NFC, which doesn't work and has been disabled, echoes in call, which I think only an issue for J730X or maybe J530X2 most probably, and the call connectivity and cellular network connectivity is kinda slow. But the annoying thing is echoes in call, which will surely be fixed in next update. So yeah, no worries on that. Also, you might face some issues in WhatsApp video call, which is only for J7 Prime at the moment. Now let's just check what you get on Aroma. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in my next video and bye bye, tata.
Wanna be there by your side.